Number 2 is Mixware HYPER-S 3D printer. In this comprehensive analysis, we thoroughly examine the Mixware HYPER-S 3D printer. Through a meticulous evaluation of its elegant design and impressive performance, we uncover its technological prowess and user-friendly features, providing a deep insight into why the HYPER-S stands out as a leading option in the field of 3D printing. So, let's get started. The Mixware HYPER-S 3D printer, a cutting-edge all-in-one printer in 2024, elevates your 3D printing experience to new heights. It secures its place as the second-best choice among the top 5 best 3D printers of 2024. With an impressive high-temperature printing capability of 350 degrees Celsius, this printer's all-metal hot end and hardened steel nozzle ensure consistent accuracy even with challenging materials like carbon fiber and nylon. Say goodbye to constant filament replacements when switching between filaments such as PLA, ABS, PETG, PP, and more. The HYPER-S printer enhances your printing experience with its impressive 300 mm per second high-speed capability, reducing printing time by up to 75%. The XY axis is supported by 3 robust industrial linear guide rails, ensuring stability and providing a smoother and more reliable printing process. The dual-gear direct extruder, accompanied by dual fans for efficient cooling, ensures precise filament feeding and optimal cooling, which is crucial for maintaining printing accuracy even at high speeds. The Mixware HYPER-S 3D printer combines a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm with convenient automatic leveling, streamlining the 3D printing process. Say goodbye to the hassle of leveling and embrace the flexibility of manual adjustments when needed. With a 3-step assembly, 96% of the print body is pre-installed for a quick and effortless setup, making it perfect for beginners. The Mixware HYPER-S 3D printer is renowned for its sleek design and exceptional performance. This in-depth analysis thoroughly examined its technological capabilities and user-friendly attributes, establishing it as a top contender in the realm of 3D printing. Discover the HYPER-S, your gateway to advanced 3D printing excellence. If you want to purchase this 3D printer, click on the link in the description box below to make a purchase.